In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate two elements at the same time in PowerPoint 2019. This is a great way to add a touch of dynamism to your presentations, making them more engaging and visually appealing. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. Once you have PowerPoint open, go ahead and navigate to the presentation you'd like to work on. If you already have your presentation saved, simply locate it on your computer and open it up. This will take you to your working space where you can add all sorts of creative elements to stun your audience. Next, identify the slide within your presentation that contains the two elements you'd like to animate. These elements could be anything such as pictures, text boxes, or shapes. Make sure these are the elements you want to bring to life with animation. Selecting the right slide is crucial because that's where the magic happens. Once you're on the right slide, here's a quick shortcut to make your job easier. Press Ctrl and A on your keyboard. This handy shortcut will select all the elements on the slide. Don't worry if there are more than the two elements you want to animate. You can always deselect the ones you don't need later. The key here is to make sure you have both of the desired elements selected, so this step is all about efficiency. Now let's move on to the fun part, animating your elements. Head over to the Animation tab located at the top of the PowerPoint window. The Animation tab is your gateway to all the movement and flair you can add to your presentation. In this tab, you'll find a range of options to choose from, perfect for making your selected elements stand out. Once you are in the Animation tab, you need to choose the animation effect you'd like to apply to your elements. You'll see a drop-down menu where you can explore different animations that you can use. This menu offers a variety of effects ranging from subtle fades to more dramatic entrances. Feel free to experiment with these until you find one that fits your style and the tone of your presentation. Remember, the goal is to captivate your audience without overwhelming them. And there you have it. You've successfully applied animations to two elements at the same time in PowerPoint 2019. This skill will definitely come in handy for making your presentations more dynamic and engaging. Thanks for watching and happy animating.